Hi everyone, I am going to present my project titled Artificial Hand Gripper Control with Smart Globe and Simulation using LabVIEW, and my project coordinator is Mr. D. Surya Prakash sir, and my project partner Pawan Kumar Upadhyay, myself Avdesh Bharti and Mrityunjay Singh. And now next I am going to present my abstract. Our paper focus on a development of a robotic hand that imitates the movement of a human hand. The artificial hand gripper system requires sensor for a smooth and accurate movement. Therefore, in this project we plan to develop a reasonably cheaper home-built robotic hand which can perform a task of a hand gripper as a beginning step. The initial objective of this project is to analyze the developed artificial arm with a strength limit proportional to the weight. The system development involved a programming interfacing circuit PIC 16F877 as a core processing for the instrumentation, communication and controlling application. A series of flex sensors are fitted in a leather glove to get reading from the movement of human finger. And next, introduction of this project. Introduction of robotic hand. The technology development since 70s era until now are rapidly changing the robotic hand engineering history. Currently existing robotic hand can be divided into four types, which is given there: robot hand of 80s era, commercial hand, research hand and prosthetic development of robot hand. Usually in this 80s era start with soft gripper Hero Soft Gripper by Saizo Heroes from Tokyo Institute of Technology. This development began in the late 70s era with 1 degree of freedom when it is utilized fully at joint and create evenly distributed force. In this same eras, more development and research done in this field to upgrade that prototype technology. For example, Stanford JPL hand prototype with 9 degree of freedom. Design feature such as 4 tenders and finger also were designed for fingers manipulation, which is combined with strain gauge fingertip sensor. And next, technical term used in this project: flex sensor. Flex sensor is patent technology is based on carbon resistive element. The flex sensor were attached on back of the smart glove. The sensor is connected to Arduino microcontroller for analog signal detection. And second one is smart glove. The smart glove form the mechanical part in which the flex sensor were placed on the back of a glove. The flex sensor will produce an output of 10 kilo ohm at 0 degree and 9.56 kilo ohm at 90 degree. Next, servo driver. A servo driver is mechanical motorized system device that can is instructed to move the output shaft attached to servo wheel or arm to a specified position. Inside a servo box is a direct current motor mechanically linked to position, feedback potentiometer, gearbox, electronic feedback control loop circuitry and motor drive electronic circuitry. And second one, torque. Torque movement or movement of force is tendency of force to rotate an object axis. And next, principle of this project. The development of this project involved an artificial multi-finger hand gripper. The hand gripper will mimic the actual finger movement made by a human operator through the smart glove. The flex sensor is used in the glove system used by the human operator. The former is meant for resembling the movement of a finger joint. This sensor and the gripper are then wired to the Arduino UNO microcontroller board based on at Mega 328. The data from the smart glove will be fed into the UNO. Next, objective of this project. The objective of this project to develop an robotic hand which imitate the movement of an human hand. And next, scope of this project. The scope of this project to know the principal working method of the robotic hand, and second one to develop artificial arm with a strength limit proportional to the weight. And second one, the final movement of artificial arm is performed using LabVIEW. Next, research methodology. The research work is undertaken in the following stage. First one, studies the principal working of robotic hand. Second one, study the theory of servo driver and servo motor circuit and its working process. And second one, the final movement of artificial arm is performed using LabVIEW. And second one, analyzing the robotic arm movement and its result. Literature of review this project. Stefano Roscola received the Laurea degree in aeronautical engineering from the University of Pisa, Italy in February 1999, and the PhD degree in robotics from the University of Genova, Italy in 1999. The joined an advanced robotic technology and system laboratory Scuola Superiore Sant'Anna Pisa as a research assistant. Currently he is an assistant professor of biomedical robotics and Scuola Sant'Anna. His research interests including biomedical robotics, re-engineering biomedical and MEMS design and development. And next, my project block diagram. There is given flex sensor which is connected amplifier. Amplifier is connected LCD display, LED screen display, and which is connected also PIC microcontroller 16F877A, and that also connected servo driver. A servo driver also connected servo motor. This is my block diagram of this project. Circuit diagram. Circuit diagram is given there. There is one gloves back side is banded flex sensor which is connected to microcontroller PIC 16F877, and microcontroller device is connected also servo motor also device connected servo driver. Next, there is given component of robot flex sensor. The flex sensor patent technology is based on carbon resistive element. To read the sensor, its variable resistance is converted to the variable voltage and amplified with an off ampere. Then the analog signal is transmitted to the 10 bits analog to digital converter in this microcontroller side for data processing. The data will be used to control servo motor which is moved to artificial hand gripper's finger. PIC microcontroller. The microcontroller that has been used there for this project is from PIC series. PIC microcontroller is the first RIC based microcontroller fabricated in CMOS, which is called complementary metal oxide semiconductor, that use operate separate bus for instruction and data for allowing simulation access of program and data memory. And next, servo driver circuit. The servo driver circuit is generally to drive the servo motor. The digital pulse are given to the servo motor for its movement. The signal that we need to create in the order to control the servo is called a pulse width modulation signal or PWM. Servo motor. Servo motor are used in most RC car, boat, helicopter and planes. They are often used to control sensitivity adjustment such as steering, but have many other use in robotic and positioning control system. Servo motor are basically general down DC motor with positional feedback control, allowing for accurate positioning of a rotor with a range of 90 degrees. They can also be modified to allow for continuous rotation. RS-232. In telecommunication, we are using RS-232. It is a standard for serial binary data interconnection between a DTE, data termination equipment, and a DCE, data circuit terminating equipment. It is commonly used in computer serial port. And next, LCD display. LCD display is liquid crystal display, high material which combine the property of both liquid and crystal rather than having a metal melting point. They have a temperature range within which is molecules are almost as mobile